So this is a a drone review for the company called Banggood, which are an internet-based company. They sell all sorts of different things, including drones. So they sent me this drone, and thank you very much for sending me the drone. I mean, reading the specs of it, I was expecting this drone to be an absolute blinder. Unfortunately, it failed to deliver. I set the drone up when I eventually got it to work, and literally within 5 minutes it did its own thing. It flew off somewhere and it failed to return to home. It's not going anywhere, guys. It is simply not responding at all to any of my commands, pretty much. Right, so this drone, okay, is retailing at the moment at around about 78 English pounds on the Banggood website. Yeah, you're not going to get a great drone for £78, may I add. Okay, so I mean, that in itself is a bit of a wake-up call. The box is great. When you receive the box, it's brilliant. Then inside you got like a little package. You know, you open it up and then you got your drone there. All that is fantastic. You think, we're off to a great start here, guys. You know, this is going to be good. And then you fly the drone, and that's when it all starts to go downhill. And I've completely lost signal. I don't know where it is. First and foremost, there's no gimbal cover, right? To me, a gimbal cover is something which is just, it's a requirement. Basically, one of the most sensitive parts of your drone is going to be your gimbal. There was no gimbal cover. That needs addressing. Number two, there were problems with it taking off. Fly.
Nope.
Please fly. It would not record to the SD card. So basically what this drone does is that there's no SD card slot in the drone itself. There's nowhere locally where it saves the footage. Basically what it does is it transmits a signal from the drone back to your RC controller. The SD card within the RC controller is then recording what it's basically seeing on the screen. But to be honest, it's not looking great on the screen, as you can see. And let me tell you, ladies and gentlemen, what I saw on the screen was nothing like 8K, it was nothing like 4K, nothing like 1080p. It was more like 720. It was really, really hard to see where the drone was. Okay, so yeah, massive disappointment. If anyone's buying this, all right, for £78, you are buying £78 worth of disappointment. Okay, I have to be super critical here, Banggood. You've asked me to do a review, and I'm giving you a review based on my experience. Okay, so bullet point number 5, it flew away and it would not return. Right, I've lost signal with it. I don't know where it is. It's gone off somewhere. It's gone AWOL. I'm trying to get it back. Press return to home and it's not doing anything. Number 6, the return to home function did not work. I mean, I was hitting that button aggressively and it just was not returning to home. Number 7, the image quality on the screen was bad and jumpy. I simply could not see where I was. Morning. Ain't seen a drone anywhere, have you? Ain't seen a drone anywhere, have you? Number 8, the Find My Drone function did not work, as I needed to download an app, okay, which is inconvenient for the user. Okay, on most drones, especially on DJIs and Hubsons and some of the others, you shouldn't have to download some kind of an app to try and find where your your lost drone is. That is just not how it ought to be. So I'm sorry, Banggood, but your drone is, being kind, it's just awful. It's terrible. It really is a bad drone. But you know, you've asked me to do a review, and I've given you it. So so there we go. So I have positioned myself about 5 miles away from Swindon on the south side. Literally, if this drone goes AWOL, and I've not flown it before, kind of, you know, in anger, let's say, and it goes off somewhere, I'm pretty confident it's not going to reach Swindon and fall on some old granny's head and do some damage. It's literally going to fall out the sky and end up probably out there somewhere. There you go, that's your home screen there. English. Right, GPS mode. Right, the drone is on. The SD card in here has been formatted. You need to do that. All I need to do now is just take it off and then start recording. And nothing's happening. For a reason I don't know. Right, okay. I think there was a problem there. They were kind of locked together, so that might have been the problem, but we'll try that again. Okay. Go fly settings. Settings are all okay. I'm just looking down to see what we got. Format the SD card already. That doesn't need doing. Okay, right. So go fly. Right. If I press that button there, that should make it fly.
Nope.
And nothing's happening. It's just sat there flashing at me. I'm pressing buttons here like nobody's business. And get recording on it. It's recording, but it's not flying. Okay, right. I don't know what's going on here, guys, to be honest. Well, this isn't going very well, is it? No, it's just gone and switched itself off. There's a reason why it's cheap, isn't it? Oh, here we go. Oh, we got some drawing. Right, I can get recording, guys. Hooray! It's actually flying. Right, a bit windy out there, mine. I'm not exactly sure how it's going to handle the wind.
No gear.
But to be honest, it's not looking great on the screen, as you can see. Yeah, yeah, I think the video quality isn't up to standard, if I was honest. Yeah, that is not going to make nice looking footage. I don't even know where it's gone. It's gone somewhere. Return to home. I'll try and return it to home, see what happens. Completely lost signal. I can hear it, but I can't see it. I have no idea where it's gone. Right, I've lost signal with it. I don't know where it is. It's gone off somewhere. It's gone AWOL. I'm trying to get it back. Press return to home and it's not doing anything. I guess all I can do now is just sit here and wait and hope it comes back. It's not doing anything. That's all I'm getting, just that picture there. Sorry, Banggood. The drone you sent me, I'm afraid, didn't come back. That's an absolute disaster, that is. Well, that could be anywhere. That drone literally could be anywhere. Morning.
Morning.
Ain't seen a drone anywhere, have you?
Hey?
Ain't seen a drone anywhere, have you? Well, I sent it kind of that way, so that's basically what I'm seeing there.
Yeah.
Okay, so it's over there, maybe it's saying 113 meters, So what it's supposed to do is that you press return to home and it's supposed to come back and land basically back here somewhere. And it's been missing for about 5 minutes now and I ain't got a clue where it's gone. Basically.
We're going to walk out that way, over the top, and then come over the stile.
Okay.
See if I see it.
If you see it, I mean, I might be gone. It's rather cold this morning, isn't it? But I'm not very. I was sent this drone by a company just saying, "Can you review it?" And I am. And I think, well, I'm trying to review it, like, you know. And it went over that way, and I tried to bring it back, but he just had a mind of its own. He just kept going and kept going.
Battery don't work in the cold. Died.
Possibly that. Yeah.
If we see it,
If you see it. Yeah, it's all right. Don't worry about it. He wants to say hello.
I was going to say, do you want us to grab it and drop it off at the shooting school?
If you want, yeah. I press return to home, and that doesn't do anything. Oh dear. This is what you get when you buy, if you buy a cheap drone, guys. Honestly, you cannot go wrong with DJI. And Banggood are going to hate me for saying this, but this drone, I'm afraid, is a big fail. It's the reason why it sent me £8, not 378. And now this thing is going to run out of battery at any moment. It's going to crash in a field somewhere, and not on Granny's head, thankfully. And I will probably never see it again. But I'll leave a link down below if you want to buy it with a coupon. When I can see it, I can see what the camera's seeing, but I'm trying to get it to do something, to move, and it's just not doing it. You press the return to home, it doesn't do it. Yeah, this is definitely one to avoid, guys, I'm afraid. Sorry, Banggood, but I have to be honest with this. I'm not going to lie. This is not a very good drone. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, guys, but I think you'll be wasting your money if you bought it. I'll be brutally honest with you. I don't know what the aftermarket service is going to be like. Spares and repairs going to be probably non-existent. I've had a complete flyaway here. I've not had my fun at all with it. If I bought this drone and spent me £78, I'll be pretty gutted right now. So in a way, you know, this particular review is like a cautionary tale. Beware, okay? What you see on the box and what you see, basically, it all looks very nice. But I'm not interested in that. What I'm interested in is the drone itself. And I'm sorry to say that the drone isn't up to scratch. And I've completely lost signal. I don't know where it is. It's lost battery. It's probably come down in a field somewhere, I think. Yeah, it's come down in a field somewhere. Maybe, I don't know, 200-300 meters over that way. And I don't know where that is. It could be anywhere. Without being disrespectful, but I think that drone, I'm afraid, deserves to be consigned probably to the dustbin of drones, which there's probably quite a few out there. Well, I didn't expect this to happen, to be honest. I expect when you hit the return to home button, you want the drone to actually come back to return to home. Obviously, it's not capable of doing that. If you really want a decent drone, you're going to have to pay, you know, a bit of money for it. And there's a reason for that. You cannot go wrong. I'm a massive advocate of DJI. If you want a decent drone, guys, you got to go down the DJI route because the drones are fantastic. The quality of service is brilliant. If you buy a cheap drone, it's false economy. You're going to crash that thing. You're going to be disappointed because you probably can't get it fixed. What you'll have to do is to go out and buy another one, and when you do, that drone, again, you'll be disappointed with it just because the image quality is just not very good, let's say. Anyway guys, I want to say thanks for watching, and I will see you on the flip side. That was terrible. I do apologise for that.